Hello friends, so in this video I will talk about browser list and how you can keep up to date with browser list. So in your project you will find out this file and you must need to update. So what is the benefit and what is this browser list file? So it basically depends upon can I use Lite for browser data, and it ensures your app runs well on most relevant real world browsers. And it use tools like Prefixer, Babel, ESLint, Webpack to target the right set of browsers. Later you will find out like where it is used mainly and why you need to update it regularly. So keep your app aligned with latest browser usage trends, avoid shipping unnecessary polyfill or prefixes. So that is why it is very important and fixes PL dependencies, helps tools output leaner and more compatible code. So polyfill is basically like which there are some utilities that we need to make it compatible, so in that case the polyfill is helpful. But it depends on the browser this thing. So if you see here how you can update that browser list file. So if you see here, means you just need to run this command and npx update browser list dv latest. So it will take the latest of that can I use Lite and it will update in your system. So if you see here, so it install the packages. So it basically updates the package log JSON file. So here it update this version, latest version is this, installed version is this. So you see there is difference in the version. So we take it the latest version, removing old from log file, installing new version. So that is so this is the role of this browser update file. So thanks guys for watching, and if you have any question, just comment it out. I'm happy to help. Yeah, thanks guys for watching.